Hello cousins, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Big Mama Cooks and here I make mom level recipes made easy and I air fry them too. Today's recipe is going to be one of my personal favorites. This is arroz con fideos. This is so easy to make. You're going to make this time and time again. Let's get right to it. All of the ingredients will be listed in the bottom bar, but I'm going to walk you through all of the steps. On my pot going on medium-high heat, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat that up, and then I'm going to add 2 chicken bouillon cubes. I'd like to note that I like to use the chicken bouillon cubes from the Maggie brand, specifically the ones that have the chicken with the black outline because that's the one with the Dominican flavors. To that, I'm going to add Fideos or fidelini. These typically come rolled up in bunches inside of a bag or a package. I'm going to use 2 bunches of fideo that I'm going to break into my pot, just like this. Then I'm going to move everything around together and then I'm going to add in, this is my secret, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Oh brother, here we go. Worcestershire sauce. This is salsa inglesa. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of salsa inglesa because I love the smoky, delicious flavor that it gives to this dish. And working with fideos, you have to work rather quickly because they tend to burn easily. So as soon as you reach this wonderful golden color, you're going to add in your 2 cups of washed rice. It helps to have the rice pre-washed and waiting for you so that the noodles don't burn on you. So you're going to mix everything really well together. And to our 2 cups of rice, I'm going to add 3 cups of water. I'm going to mix this up and then I'm going to cover my pot for 8 to 10 minutes so that the rice can absorb all of the liquid. And again, this is going on medium-high heat. At the end of those 8 to 10 minutes when the rice has absorbed all of the liquid, all I'm going to do is move my rice around to form my very popular rice mountain. I do this so that my rice cooks evenly and the rice doesn't stick to the side of the pot. Then I'm going to cover my rice with aluminum foil and then I'm going to turn the flame down to low. So we're going from medium-high to low flame and we're going to cover this for 25 minutes. Set a timer. At the end of those 25 minutes when we return, you have made arroz con fideos. This pairs so well with any kind of carne guisada or pollo guisado, any kind of guisado. This is a perfect pairing for that. If I ever come across the option of having arroz con fideos, I'm always going to go for arroz con fideos over anything. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, cousins. See you again next time.